Welcome to Luke Knows Minecraft. My name is Luke, and today is part 2 of getting started with Minecraft series. Jumping right in where we left off, we'll be adjusting basic server settings and getting familiar with the multicraft panel. So let's begin. First, we'll set our Minecraft username as an operator on the server. This will give us access to all in-game commands on the server and the ability to adjust some server settings in-game. After you've logged into the multicraft panel, click console and then enter the following command: op username, where username is your in-game Minecraft username. For this tutorial I'll be using my username, but you'll want to use your own. Now log into your server on Minecraft and try running a simple command like /GameModeC. When running commands in-game, the slash at the beginning needs to be included but should be excluded in the multicraft console. Now we'll connect FileZilla to access all of our server files. I'll not be walking you through installing FileZilla because it's pretty straightforward, but I will point out that during the setup process, FileZilla will try to install a few other applications. Just uncheck the box to not have them installed. In Multicraft, click Files on the right hand side and then FTP Access. Here you'll see all the FTP login credentials. We'll need these in a minute. Open FileZilla and click File, Site Manager. Click New Site and give it a name. I like naming the name of the server host, so for this tutorial I'll call it Chalkbyte. Now copy and paste the host, username, and port number from Multicraft we found earlier. Now enter your Multicraft password. Click Connect. Now you are logged into your server using FileZilla. You can download and edit files using FileZilla to customize your server. We'll also be using Notepad++ to edit server files. Again, links in the description, so go down and install it. We'll also need to tell FileZilla to use Notepad++ to edit files. Go to Edit, Settings, File Editing, and under Default Editor choose Use Custom Editor. Then click Browse and find your Notepad++ installation. Click OK when you are done. Now is the fun part, editing our server files to make our server unique. In FileZilla, right click on server.properties and choose View/Edit. The file should open in Notepad++. Here we're going to edit basic server settings like message of the day. Sometimes abbreviated as MOTD, the message of the day is a text that is displayed on the server listing in Minecraft. We'll change it to something simple like join in on the fun. We can also change the game mode if we would like, but we will leave it to survival for now. We will also turn off spawn production for now by setting it to 0. Without going into much detail, spawn production blocks non-op players from breaking blocks within a certain radius. This can be helpful if you would like to build a spawn and do not want players destroying it. For now, we'll leave it set to 0. After you're done, click Save. FileZilla will ask if you would like to upload the updated file to the server. If you are done editing the file, you can also check the box that says Finish Editing and Delete Local File to have the local file deleted. Click Yes. Let's jump back over to Multicraft and press Restart to update the server with our new changes. We can now go back to Minecraft and see our message of the day has been updated. Currently our server is public, which allows anyone who has the IP address to log into the server. We don't want this because this is going to be for friends and family. We only want people we invite to be able to join. We can enable the whitelist either by editing server.properties in FileZilla or run a command in-game. This time we'll set it in-game. Run /whitelist on. Now only people we add to the whitelist can join. Let's add a few players by running /whitelist add username, where username is the username we would like to add. Now we can see that we have added them to the whitelist by running /whitelist list. This will list all players on the whitelist. We can also run these commands in the server console by leaving off the beginning /. And this time let's remove a player from the whitelist with whitelist remove. We still have more we can do. Next time we'll be building a spawn and inviting players to join. Don't forget to subscribe and click the like button. Check out the website at lukeknowsmc.com and subscribe to the newsletter. Thanks for watching.